Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect the oven OMK to the single phase installation. So let's start from the wires. There we have three wires. The green and yellow it's a ground wire, the blue one it's a neutral, and the gray one it's a phase. So how to connect it in the plug. We are starting from the ground wire. If you don't have the ground wire in your installation, you can just isolate it. So let's connect the ground wire to the middle socket in your plug. Now let's connect the neutral to the right side of your plug. And the last one, the brown, the phase one, going to the left side of the socket. Okay, quick checkup how it works, how it looks. The ground wire to the middle one, the brown phase to the left, the blue neutral to the right. Let's close the plug. And now we can check, does it work or not. As you can see, it's worked perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.